Works good so far, easy to install, took me about 3 minutes to finish everything. It fit perfectly. Factory replacement headlight. Comes with halogen headlight bulb, but you must supply the marker, blinker light bulb and mount. I used this for collision repair from a deer strike. After adjusting the fender damage, this light fit right in place. Check for clearance of the headlight adjuster. I had to drill a hole in the headlight bucket on the van to clear the adjuster, as this light housing uses a newer design adjuster than what was found on the van's original headlight housing. After drilling a small, the adjuster sticks through it and actually allows easier adjustment that way. The clear lens makes the other light look awful, and it needs to be replaced due to age and discoloration. I would buy a pair and replace them both at the same time to keep the van looking nice, and it really improved light coverage at night. Purchased for my brother-in-law so his vehicle would pass inspection after hitting a deer with his headlight. Click link in description for more reviews.